Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
This boy could have some kind of injury. He didn't tell you his name?
No, but he had brown...
My entire life and my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Ow. Excuse me. Pardon me. Hey. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey.
These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Act civilized. We got cups.
Here is.
Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man! Now I got dirt!
1995, Lightning McQueen.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
The roads are jammed today.
Hey, Lanny.
Huh? Vito!
It's
We know how fast we really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Thank you so much, Thomas the Submarine.
Happy to help.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
Lanny, are you trying to protect the culprit?
No, I'm not.
The deal was you fix the road, not make it worse. I'll scrape it off, start over again.
Hey, McQueen.
Racewagen, morgen takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Zeg takel.
I never felt happy.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. You just gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me.
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I'd better do it in style.
Well, then race for me. Tax. Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be.
Except the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your...
Oh, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't right.
Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Right back. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Bon, Bottom, tu as misé toute ta fortune sur ce meeting. Il faut à tout prix faire quelque chose.
Faire quoi? Le public.
McQueen suddenly moves to the outside.
That's it, and I cannot believe what I just saw, Brett.
It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing there?
Hello, Mater. It's so...
Just really wish Mater were here.
Francesco understands, McQueen.
Oh, great. Here it comes.
Oh, Lightning, come on. Look, I can do this. I can. I promise.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
McQueen, is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't.
It's perfectly safe.